Hello America, Mark Kelson here today. Beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Present to you this wonderful 3226 Bay Star Sport. And I'll tell you what, great floor plan. Let's go in and take a look at what it has to offer. Easy cleanup floor right here. Beautiful bureau over here. Two more chairs in the back. 3 stages for this table to go in and out with a Corian countertop. Gives you a lot of space in this coach for dining and just entertaining. Over here, fold and tumble couch. This is an awesome couch. Watch this. We'll just do this real quickly. Boom. Boom. Blow it up and you have a bed right there for people. Oh look, there's somebody wanting to buy this coach right now. Nice woodwork up here. Accent lighting up above, Corian countertop, kitchen counters, just beautiful. Look at the TV, how it's strategically placed right across from the couch so you don't have to hurt your neck to watch the TV. It's pretty awesome. Beautiful accents on the wall. Coming back here into the kitchen, you have the Corian countertop with the twin sink, very deep sink, Moen faucet, window behind the faucet there so you get some lighting in here. Coming back here, you have the oven, bank of drawers, microwave in this coach. The refrigerator is actually a 2-door with an ice maker in this. And then to the left of the refrigerator is going to be a little pantry area. And then here's a much bigger pantry area right here, or linens or whatever you got. So that's pretty awesome right there. All right, back here, bathroom, huge shower in there. When you see that, when you get in there, you realize just how much room you have. Good lighting in there, Corian countertop, glass shield there for the shower. It's pretty awesome. You have a door to cordon off this beautiful bedroom right here. This is going to feature a king bed with the windows on the side for ventilation. You have the headboard, very nice right there. You got a window in the back for your viewing pleasure. You got a 32-inch TV right here. Full set of drawers to hold all your clothing, and you have a his and a hers wardrobe. Exit window right there in case of an emergency. Let's go up front and see what's in the cockpit. You got the beautiful, beautiful flex steel seating in this. Nice cream color with the gray flavor piping on these seats. Very comfortable by flex steel. You have a Ford chassis. You got the equalizers over there, so you do have levelers. You got the generator, battery boost, cruise control, everything right here at the touch of a button. Nice navigational system, side cameras, rear cameras. Little desk for the co-pilot. And let's go outside and see what it has to offer. Bay Star Sport, 32-foot king bed, going to feature full body paint. Nice colors, frameless windows, automatic awning up above. Cover the whole thing up when you're out here with your friends. Let's see what in these bays. Well, looks like those are locked. But here you're going to have storage in these bays. You have the really nice simulator wheels. Again, that full body paint is second to none in the industry. Coming around the back, you'll see the camera up above the ladder accessing the roof, so you can do all your maintenance up there, check your air conditioners out, the sealant, whatever you got up there. And here's your tow down here for your tow vehicle. So this is going to feature a 50 amp service on this coach right there. You got a water bay, take care of everything on the outside, plus the outside faucet, or outside shower if you will. You have a Suburban furnace in this coach, your fill right there. There's your refrigerator. And this is your hot water tank here on the outside. You're going to have the generator underneath here also, but this is a gas and electric right here. Pretty cool. If I can get that shut. There we go. Again, Bay Star Sport 3226. Side cameras right there. One of the nicest coaches on the market. 3-slide coach. This one interests you or any of the coaches that we have on the lot, please give me a call, Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.